Well, hello there, Skywinders. Welcome back to another episode of Skywind007. On today's episode, we have this right here. This is the Mainstays Compact Microwave Oven, 0.7 cubic feet. So this is not a full review, but rather a cautionary video in case you want to buy this. I've had this for a while. This is the second oven that I buy, the same type, and it works perfectly. There's nothing wrong with it, nothing major. But there are a few things that you want to know before you buy it. So let's go to the kitchen. Okay, so here's the procedure to lock and unlock. Press the 0 for 3 seconds. Now 7 and 9, and that unlocks. And now to relock, press and hold the 0 for 3 seconds. Now 7 and 9, and that relocks. Okay, let's see which one of these cups actually goes into the microwave. So let's open it up. And let's get the tallest one and see if it'll go in. And it does not. Let's get the medium one, see if it'll go in. And it won't. And now let's get the shortest one, see if it'll go in. And it goes in, but barely. So that's good to know. Let's take it out. Okay folks, so we are back from the kitchen, and like I said, it does have an issue with the cups being put in there. Nothing big, but you want to keep that in mind if you're gonna get this. And before we go, I do want to make a measurement right here. This is the cup that worked. I would say 5.3 inches, and in centimeters I would say 13.5 centimeters. Okay, so I want to give this thing a rating, and I'll give it a rating of 4 stars out of 5, and I'm taking 1 star off because they should have made it a little bit taller so that you can use any kind of cup, but they did not do that. But as far as everything else, it's fine. Another thing you want to know, keep in mind that it has that child lock, like I demonstrated how to turn it on and off. So if you have somebody that you're going to give this away as a gift to somebody with maybe Alzheimer's, or somebody has a difficulty doing things, just keep that in mind that they might have an issue with the child lock. In any case, thank you for watching, subscribe, and thumbs up.